thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I. Life changes as we know it. You do what you can, you just get through it. It's a mystery how people can get by on as little love as you and I. Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I tried to stay until outgrowing. Time changes people, we both know this. It's a change of season when the tide comes rolling in, and you realize there's nothing there to begin. Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I. Oh, I'm counting roadblocks, you're counting crossroads. They were always there, but we never made a choice. It was never on the map, on this crooked road called life. It was never meant to be you and I. Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I. Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Heading back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a loser.
What's up, YouTube? So we are back here in the Black Hills again. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. So we are going to get lunch going and start from there. So to start off with, we get the potatoes cut up and get them going because they take the longest to cook. I like to strap down the burner just to make it sturdy. It does have a base to it, but it doesn't seem to be very sturdy. Putting a little olive oil in it. One thing that's nice about my camp set is the stainless steel plates it comes with, because I can use it as a lid for the small cast iron skillets. I let the potatoes get almost done, but not all the way done before I put the meat in, because the meat doesn't take very long to cook. And then I'll stir it up, get it mixed up, get it heated up, and I'll put the plate back on and let it cook for a little longer, get everything nice and crispy. I always like to add some eggs to this mix. And a little bit of cheese. Maybe a lot of cheese. Yeah, I get the hammock set up. Most of the time I go from tree to tree, but there wasn't two trees close enough together. So you got your eggs, your meats, your potatoes, a bunch of seasonings. See how this turned out. That is really good. So put in the comments what you want to see me cook on the trails next time. So as always, if you bring something out on the trails, bring it back with you. Pick up your trash. That's how we can keep this land and this beautiful area for future generations. So I hope you enjoy this one. I will be doing more, but the weather's starting to get cold and it's kind of miserable. So I don't know if I'll be able to get out much more right now. Well, I guess we'll see what it happens. It was in the low 50s and then it hit the low 20s. And today is in the 70s. So the weather's bipolar right now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Have fun, and hope you can get out.